This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a bit road planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Oh, it's 24 degrees Celsius outside. Okay. Seat ventilation? Let me listen to it here. Can you hear them? It's, I wouldn't say loud, but you can hear it. Probably want to have it on 2 or 1. Okay, the 1 is not sucking enough. Okay. Right, let's go. Now we're gonna need to go to, they have saved the thing here. This is the one. Yeah, 02. We're gonna have lunch there at noon. Okay, slightly delayed, but okay, let's go. So what do you think about the G9 versus the Zeekr 7X? They should have roughly the same price level, and both of them are Chinese. I feel like the 7X is better in the infotainment. Car's features also, we have the electric open door, you know, and the curtain in the back also electrically adjusted. And the Zeekr was really impressive. When it comes to charging speed, yes, this G9 has higher speed. I need to test eventually how it goes. Also test efficiency on 1,000 kilometer challenge and so on. But at least for now, after testing these cars, the G6 and G9, I still get the impression that the Zeekr 7X is really good car for the money. But of course, we need to test this properly in Norway. Okay, Isabel wants to eat food at a hotel. Okay, we'll see. We're gonna go to the O2 Surf now. Okay, you see here, it's sunny outside, 23 degrees Celsius. And okay, I'm looking for some kind of keep climate on. It's not that easy to find it though, because here, you see, there's nothing here. Oh no, you can look everywhere here. The down swipe doesn't have it. But if we look here, they recently added a nice feature. You go to General. So XOS 5.8.0, you have it here. It's weird. They need to move this in a better position. I think it was on the drive. No, where was it again? You see, even I struggle finding it. Vehicle, maybe? Yeah, here. Pet mode is hidden on the vehicle. It should be on the HVAC or the swipe down or something like Nio or some of the other cars. But at least it's here. And when you enable it, you get this. The reason why I want this is because, see, it's a robot dog, Isabel. Yeah. I want this because I want it to stay nice and warm, nice and cool here, because I will have camera equipment here. But of course, if you have pets here, or if you leave your kids in here, okay, I'm just kidding. Don't leave your kids in here. Then, yeah. But it should be better than this right now. It should be better accessible, and also maybe not just pet mode, but power keep mode or whatever they call it now. Keep climate on, and maybe some camp mode also. Wow, we are at the O2 Surf. Wow, look at this. We have wave generator. You can go surfing here, close to the airport. This is so cool. And then over here, the Xpeng organizes Xpeng. They're having lunch there. You can watch. Wow. Just want to get. Oh, look at those waves. You know, fun fact. Initially, Xpeng, they wanted to put me on the influencer group, and then supposedly some of the part of the program is to go surfing here. But then Knut Arne from Norway is like, no, Bjørn, he's more like a car tester. He's not that much into the influencer thing, whatever, you know. So okay, maybe it wouldn't be that bad of an idea for me to try surfing. Look at that, looks like fun. Wow. Lunch today. There's some burger, some fries, some chicken. Isabel wants to eat fries. Yeah, you can try the chicken. Oh, yeah. ระวัง ระวัง Isabel ต้องระวังด้วยนะถ้า Isabel ไปจีบแล้วมันอาจจะเปื้อนนะ
I won't
ต้องระวังแขนด้วยนะตอนหยิบอะไรเนี่ยหรือว่าเอานี่ลงไหมงี้ yeah so okay, it was a great lunch. We're gonna go back to the airport now. So see here, we're gonna do this. It's nice that the toggle here actually toggles between the different speeds. Many other swipe menus will only turn it on and off. I think I'm gonna have it on 2 right now. Alright, it's close to the airport, it's good. 5 minutes drive. I mean, overall, nice car. I feel like the biggest upgrade in the G9 was the charging speed. And also, yeah, okay, the Comfort Plus is also available now. It wasn't before. So it just made it even nicer ride. Okay, so now we have to get ready. The flight goes in a little bit over 2 hours, but I still want to take the time and quickly go over there. So you see here, it was damaged. So I don't want the car seat to be damaged. So we just use a piece of paper. That's the best thing I have right now. Just fold it a couple of times maybe. It helps slightly. And then put it there. And then just put some tape on it. Like this-ish. A couple of tape there. And we should be good. So remember to always bring duct tape. Yeah, okay. Not the standard press car trip, right? For most people. Okay, we're now in the airport. And I get some help from Xpeng to help me carry the stroller or just push it at least some distance before it gets too far, and then I have to do the rest myself. All right, let's hope that the return doesn't have too many delays then. All right, check-in done, security control all good. Well, also check in the big luggage. Now we are in the gate area. Isabel had a croissant, yeah, she likes it. And now I'm gonna go join with the rest of the guys. They're supposed to be here somewhere nearby. We have some time, chill time, huh? Yes! Wow, you love croissant. Finally, on the airplane, direct flight back to Oslo. There's reading some books. Yeah, you're having fun. Huh? It's about the motor. Yeah. You like airplanes? Nej. Welcome back to Norway. We actually have some wind turbines here. Kind of rare, but yeah. We have landed. We have all the stuff here. Yes, we are going there now. So here we have the stroller again. I waited for a stroller. Now we go back. So yeah, it's a coincidence. I talked to Knut Arne, the guy from Xpeng, in Norway, and yeah, I said that I'm going again with Isabel on Sunday. It's Tuesday today. On the same flight. We just happened to book the same flight on the way there. So yeah, we're gonna see each other over at Xpeng, at IAA. He could say that Xpeng, they have some interesting stuff going on. Dạ đừng nè, này, dạ đừng nè. Mấy đừng, để mất tóc. Oh, Isabel is getting impatient now. We landed 40 minutes ago. I just got one of the luggages, check in this piece here. Yeah, okay, just a backpack. But now we're waiting at the oversized luggage. No big box here. And it's just direct flight, so it's not like the box was missed somewhere. Oh yeah, Isabel, okay, Isabel, shh, they better did have video, huh? Man, when the heck will be home tonight? Why does it take 45 minutes to get the luggage over here? It was way faster the other places. Well, I asked the lady at the counter over there on the other side there, and she said, well, it's gonna arrive at belt number 1. And if I actually read what was down there, it says it's oversized luggage on belt 1. Okay, now I know. Always read the whole screen, not just this part here, which most people do. You have to read the small letters also on the bottom. ABC, always be strolling. There it is. Oh, you see? It's on the belt 1, and it's written here. This is a bit design flaw, because, okay, here it says that it's for 2578, okay, but nobody comes here to read this. because what you do is you go past there, you go to the lookup table, and then you check out which belt it was, your flight, and then you go to that belt, and then you don't read the text under. And then I was, of course, I overlooked that small detail. I went over to the oversize all the way there. But what they could have done was to write on that side that remember to check also belt number 1. Yeah. Okay. Are they gonna fix this? 9. All right. Okay. Hiv ohoi. Snart skatten vår. Så kan vi ta det rolig de neste 100 år. Oh yeah, we're back at the EL8. Man, am I glad to see you. Yeah, the best comfort. But fortunately, over here, we have to load in the car seat and everything, and it's open and no one is parked here. But I just noticed, welcome back to the land of inconsiderate people. Like, dude, you could have just put this somewhere, just 10 meters away over there or somewhere else where they actually have the strollers. You know? No, just wanna leave it right here. Yeah, why not? Oh yeah, back in Neo. Yeah, and Isabel wants to listen to Starship. Oh, all right. Well, just one sleepover, 2 days, but it feels like a long trip. All right, we're back home. So how did this trip go? Well, actually, it's surprisingly well. Okay, there was a time when I was sweating because I had to carry some heavy luggage, the car seat, and the stroller and stuff. But at least next trip now on Sunday, I'm not bringing the big car seat, and also, pretty much that. So then we have less luggage, and also I will try to pack even lighter, because I don't have any check-in luggage. We need to hurry. Yeah. I have to go to the IAA and then fly back. Otherwise, if I don't get that flight, it's going to be a flight with connection. And you guys know how it is, right? Instead of taking a little bit over 2 hours, it will take 4, almost 5 hours, and then add some delays and stuff. And connection with kids, or even gone kid, is extra hassle. But yeah, so hopefully in the future, I can do it like this, which is to bring Isabel with me to some test drive event, and then I can actually go somewhere and test new cars for once, because I feel like I've been stuck in the loop with 2 small kids at home. In the beginning it was it was Isabel, and then when she was born, and then wifey got pregnant again, so it was like a pregnant wife and a small baby, and then you know how it is, right? So yeah, finally I can maybe break loose of that and at least get some new test. I had to decline the Nissan Leaf in UK test drive. Lots of interesting cars I had to decline because of the situation, but maybe in the future it will be different. I might not make a vlog like I do now. I might concentrate on the car test. Or if you guys are interested, I could do a vlog. I'm gonna do a vlog anyway of the trip to München and back again, and then of course all the IAA stuff over there. It's gonna be freaking awesome. I can tell you, from what I heard from the Autogefühl guy, he had some hints and stuff. It sounds like it's gonna be the Germans striking back at the Chinese, because the Chinese, they've been dominating. Well, actually, we don't know really, or many people might not realize it, but the Chinese, they've been improving a lot, and this is outdated already, you know? They're sitting on 5C technology, right? Like, okay, we have Nio charging at 600 kilowatt, we have Xpeng charging at 450 to 500 kilowatt. We have Seeker, and also soon I will test Xlantics, which is part of the big Cherry group. And Xlantics claim 10 to 80% in 11 minutes. So that's another 5C battery. So freaking Chinese, they're sitting on 5C technology. What does the Germans have? Well, they have Neue Klasse, or they have the GLA, which is whooping 320 kilowatt hour per hour. Yeah. So we'll see. what the IAA will bring. So I will try to check out the new Volkswagen. It's called, was it Polo or something? And then whatever, yeah, supposedly also the P7, Xpeng P7 is coming there. But then Xpeng told me that they don't have any specific plans about bringing the P7 to Europe. But of course, if people are interested, they're going to bring it there. But I also heard that someone who drove it in Europe, they were just blown away by how well it drives. Yeah. All right. Anyway, I think that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.